Are you ready for the next leap in home entertainment? Apple is gearing up to launch the Apple TV 2025, and the leaks, rumors, and official clues all point to a major transformation. We're talking about console-level gaming, AI-powered recommendations, a sleek liquid glass UI, and even a built-in camera for FaceTime. Whether you're a casual streamer, a smart home enthusiast, or a hard Apple fan, this upcoming Apple TV could be the most advanced yet, and potentially the most affordable. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Apple TV 2025. From leaks and rumors to confirmed features, the expected release date, and even pricing predictions. Overview and release timing. Apple hasn't updated the Apple TV since 2022, but a refresh is expected late in 2025, likely between September and December. A reliable source confirms the new Apple TV will indeed launch this year, replacing the current model. Leaks, rumors, and design updates. New wireless chip Proxima. Apple plans to phase out Broadcom chips, replacing them with its own Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth chip codenamed Proxima. Initially used in HomePod Mini and later in iPhones and iPads. Design. A thinner, more compact design is anticipated, though aesthetics may not see a major overhaul. Rumored specs and hardware enhancements. Chipset. Expect a powerful upgrade, likely the A17 Pro or even the yet unreleased A18/A19, significantly boosting performance. Connectivity. Support for Wi-Fi 6E7, Bluetooth 5 courtesy of Proxima, and full Matter Thread smart home support for seamless integration. Gaming. Console-level performance is in the cards. Think hardware ray tracing, smoother multitasking, and Apple Arcade enhancements, AI and personalization. Heavier use of Apple Intelligence for dynamic recommendations and smoother, adaptive UI experiences. Built-in camera and gesture control. A built-in camera could enable FaceTime on your TV, along with gesture controls reminiscent of Vision Pro interfaces. Storage options. Expect base of offerings at 64 GB or 128 GB, with the possibility of a 256 GB tier. Software and interface. At WWDC 2025 on June 9th, Apple unveiled tvOS 26 featuring the new liquid glass user interface, sleek, translucent visuals with real-time rendering effects. Additional software perks include FaceTime improvements, incoming call alerts, live captions, contact posters, Apple Music sing-along, lyric translations, iPhone as microphone capabilities, Thread 1.4 and smart automation capabilities. Top 10 rumored features. 1. A 17 Pro/A18 chip, major performance and efficiency boost. 2. Proxima plus Wi-Fi 6E7 native Apple wireless tech for smoother connectivity. 3. Matter plus full thread support acts as a unified smart home hub. 4. Built-in FaceTime camera, use TV for calls without needing another device. 5. Gesture controls, hands-free navigation, inspired by Vision Pro. 6. Console-level gaming, better graphics, computing for home gaming. 7. Enhanced AI integration, personalized interface, and content suggestions. 8. Liquid glass UI, tvOS 26, modern, translucent design across Apple's ecosystem. 9. Affordable option, rumored base price under $100, plus potential upgrade tiers. 10. Compact design, smaller, sleeker form factor with retained I/O ports. Pricing and availability. Pricing. Rumors diverge. Some sources expect an entry price under $100 to broaden appeal. Others suggest a modest bump to around $180 for higher-end models. Release date. Likely fall 2025, possibly in October to December. Aligning new interface. So there you have it. The Apple TV 2025 is shaping up to be a major upgrade that blends performance, design, smart home integration, and affordability into one sleek package. Whether you're excited about ray-traced gaming, FaceTime on the big screen, or the futuristic liquid glass UI, Apple is clearly pushing its set-top box into a new era. But now we want to hear from you. What feature are you most excited about? Are you planning to upgrade? Or are you waiting to see what Apple does next? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest Apple leaks and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.